Oh, bright light. Bright light. I freak you out. I'm feeding them today, so figured I'd take them out and give each one a number so people can suggest names for them. Look, this one's number 1. Seeing how you're the first one that's eating today. You like that bright light? Huh? You like that bright light? Beautiful babies. I love the orange coloring in this one. It's really pretty. Look how pretty you are. Look how pretty you are. Yeah, you are. You're beautiful. This one's number 1. This one has more of the orange coloring on it than the other ones do. What'd you see? Huh? Aw, you're going to curl up on my hand, go to sleep. Very pretty. Yes, you are. You're adorable. Yeah. You're number 1 till we give you a name. I'm counting on my friends to help me name all of you. You're so cute. There. See how pretty you are? This one will be number 1. Anybody wants to make name suggestions for them based on their appearance. When I first took him out of the plastic tote that I'm feeding him in, he went in a strike posture and stretched his neck out like he was thinking about coming at me, but he didn't. He changed his mind. Beautiful white on the belly. Can I show people your tummy? I said, no, don't do that. Yeah, my hands are beat up. We got the Argentine Boa cage finished up today, except for the carpet that's got to be laid on it. We're doing that day after tomorrow, since tomorrow's the 4th. But I can't wait to let Nosey and Grumpy go out there this weekend. You're not going to let me... I want to show them how pretty your belly is. There we go. Beautiful colors. My hands are all beat up from working out in the snake cage and everything. So I apologize for my appearance. The snakes are beautiful. Yeah, that's number 1. Say, see, I'm pretty friendly. You want to try and eat some? No, he's not going to let me put him down. Can I put you in here to see if you want to eat? And here we have number 2. Another one with the bright oranges. Hiding in a ball. What they're best at. Go say hi. Well, hello. You go say hi to everybody. Huh? You gonna say hello? Look how hard you're breathing. I'm not gonna hurt you, little one. You're so pretty. This one's number 2 for people that are making name suggestions for them. I'm gonna name you Huffy. Look at you breathing. Mama, it's not gonna hurt you, baby. You're so cute. So, oh, go hide again. Go hide again. There we go. I've been handling them a little bit, going against my own house rules. I usually don't bother them for the first couple of weeks, but they've been very social, so I've been handling them. This one's got more of the brown than the orange in it. You're so cute. Yes, you are. This one's number 2. Look at that pretty belly. Look at that pretty belly. You're so adorable. Yes, you are. Very pretty. Look at you. I'm cute. You guys think of a name for me so Mama can pick out a name for me. I'm going to drop you. There I am. I'm going to run, run, run. No, we're not going to flee. We're going to eat today. We're not going to take off and run. We're going to eat. This is number 2. Oh, I named you Speedy. This one's always trying to take off. Very active snake. Look at you. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Baby ball pythons are awesome. You want to eat? Let's try to eat. There we go. That is number 2. Like I said, I put a lot of feeders in for them so they can pick their own. And this is number 3. You hiding. Everybody's hiding tonight. Did I freak you out? I'm sorry. I love the speckling on this one. It's real cute. Oops, they turned you over. I'm sorry. Where's your head? There you are. Come out and say hi. Come say hi to everybody. This one has beautiful blushing on top of the head. See it right there? Well, when the snake will stop hiding it. Come on, I want to show them how pretty that blushing is on top of your head. If I can stop shaking. My trimmers are terrible. I've been working outside on the boa cage all day. Come here. Show them how pretty that blushing is on top of your head. There it is. Oh, you little squirt, you. I see your eyeball. Get right. This is hard to do with 2 fingers. Come on. Let's see if we can get you to come out. And come out. There. There we are. Real pretty blushing on top of the head. This is number 3. You gonna attack my camera? Please don't. It might hurt your nose. Yeah, somebody's getting ready to shed. Somebody's shedding. Yeah, you are. Good deal. I don't think you'll eat then, huh? You can see the blushing on top of the head. It's really light colored. Very pretty. And this one's shedding. Yum, 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 yum. This is number 3. You're so cute. Well, that's an improvement. You're shedding and you didn't have any issues with me picking you up. That's a good sign, huh? There. Yeah, this one's definitely shedding. Very pretty. Yes, you are. Can I take you off my fingers? Need some help with your shed. Can I help? No, so I'm going to bury it so you can't help. Where is your head, silly one? They're so good at hiding. That's a ball that's hard to get a snake out of. Let's see what we got. What we got. There's part of the head. Right there. There's part. Whoop, nope. Go bury it some more. I can't believe people think snakes are vicious and they're dangerous. That's a classic example of what cowards they are as babies. See, we're scared of people. Hey, at least they're smart enough not to trust people. I'd say that's pretty darn intelligent myself. Even out in the wild, they avoid people. So they're not really stupid animals, if you want my honest opinion. Smart enough to stay away from humans. Hey, hey, hey. You're in a tight ball. I'm going to put you in here and see if you want to eat, even though you're shedding. A lot of my ball pythons will eat when they're in shed. This is one that has the dark browns on it. Very pretty. This is snake number 3, looking for a name. I'm not going to harass him or hold him much since he's shedding. I don't want to stress him out. I'll leave him alone and see if he wants to eat anything. And this is number 4, the Pastavi. Hiding its head too. Everybody's hiding tonight. Everybody's shy. So when you're making name suggestions for me for the 4 babies, just remember that the 4th one's the Pastavi. Very pretty. You gonna come out of a ball? Yeah, we've been busy today. We got the door up on the Argentine Boa cage. Looks real nice. You gonna stay in a ball too? You can come out? Hello? Come on out for a little while. Psst, 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 psst. The blushing on this head is amazing. Nope. Don't go hide again. That's why they call them ball pythons. Hey. There it is. There's the head. This is number 4 for people that are suggesting names of Hisavi. Beautiful colors. Love the blushing on the head. Real pretty snake. And it's going to take some work handling these as shy as they are. Look how hard you're breathing. We're all timid today, huh? We all shy? Yeah, we are. So that's all 4 of the babies. The first 3 look similar, but if you don't see them every day, you can't really tell the difference in them, but there are differences in them. Like I tell people all the time, snakes are all each an individual. There are no 2 exactly the same, and they don't have the same habits, and they don't have the same likes and dislikes. So they're very much different, though they may appear to look alike. But yeah, there's all 4 of them. If people want to give me some name suggestions for them, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.